What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. We are fixing the Speed's front splitter and also removing the wheel well stuff. I forgot what it's called. My mind's coming to a blank right now. The problem I've been having is when I'm going over like 55 miles an hour, the splitter starts to smack the ground because there's no support. So I'm gonna spend a good amount of the day trying to figure that out. So we'll see what happens. And the Speed's looking a little bare right now. And I busted out the Sawzall. I'll show you guys what that was for. So when I originally installed this, I tried to keep the front splitter, the stock one, and I should have. Instead I cut it for middle support, but I should have left the entire piece because that is actually what you use to support this, which is why we currently have the problem where there's no support and it's all zip tied and jank. So trying to figure that out today is not going to be fun. I am ordering another lip, stock one, so that I can have that as the actual support and make this look better. So not sure when I'll have that, but for today I just gotta figure out how I want to do this, and then we'll get rid of all this fender liner, which I cut. I don't know why, just got lazy, didn't feel like getting under the car with a 8mm. I'm such an idiot. Corvette looking spicy. Okay, working on taking this fender liner out right now. There's a little piece up there. Pop it out, and then this should be out. I'm gonna leave the back fender liner in because it doesn't cause any problems. And I don't think it'll droop or anything with the front out. I'm trying to get this dumb little screw. Alright, so I moved the Speed around a little bit. Went ahead, got the other side completely out. It was actually really big pain. Threw this piece back on, so no fender liner on this side. It's getting a little windy, a little chilly out, but like I said, I got this side off, so we're good to go. Front bumper is gonna be able to go on here pretty soon. Still gotta fix that, so we'll get to that issue in a minute. Just knocking out this side real quick, now that I have some knowledge on how to take this off. So this will be all out here in a moment, and then I can start working on that splitter issue and then get the Speed back and going. Hopefully no splitter issues anymore, but yep. That's how I've been getting it out. Boom, this side's knocked out. Now I'm gonna take out these front bumper bolts. That way I can actually mount the front bumper properly this time. But first we gotta fix this splitter issue. No idea what the plan is. Honestly, what I might do for now, we're gonna get jank with it, guys, but I might pop these out, drill hole, drill hole, drill hole, drill hole, and then zip tie through all these. Like I said, we're gonna get pretty jank with it. Oh no, these actually broke off. Looks like we're getting ultra jank with it. Remember how I told you things were gonna get a little whack? Well, look at this. I drilled a hole in the bumper, 2 holes in the splitter, and I'm gonna do that all the way across until I get that new piece. And I had to do this also because all of these are broken, literally all of them. So I can't securely mount to that without it, you know, being flimsy and causing the same issue I'm having. So we're doing this jankle zip tie deal all the way across. We'll do 4 of them, and hopefully it holds. All right, they're all on there, so I guess we'll see how strong it is. It feels pretty strong. Ow, this splitter's literally like a blade now because it's been rubbing so much. It's all right. Probably tighten those more. All right, well, I mean, they're on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up putting the front bumper on, and then we'll go take it for a little test drive. See if it stays on. The record is 80. I've gone 80 before and it hasn't came off. All right, so I'm laying on the ground right now because I just drilled out these spots right here, 3 zip ties in, because both the freaking tabs are broken on the bumpers to actually mount it. So, but I mean, it is not going anywhere, so shouldn't have that issue. The splitter's hanging real high, way higher than it was, so definitely stoked to get that stock piece back, and then we can fix that. But I don't think we're gonna rub at all. Like, I could probably do 100 and it won't rub. Look at that. Should have no problem. It's got a weird little, I know, it looks weird right now, guys. Just go with it. Let's go try it. All right, here we go on our little voyage. I already had to come to a stop, just pulling out of the driveway because I forgot to cut the zip ties that were rubbing. So should be good now. so good. So far, no noises, literally at all. Here we go, guys. We're about to do a fat pull. And if it rubs, I'm honestly gonna be so upset. I'm gonna be so mad. Because I've literally tried 40 different ways to fix this and haven't been successful at all yet, so it's gotta work. Please don't rub, please don't rub. All right, well that's 60, so that's test one. I caught up to some people, so had to lay off a little bit. Just roll into it a little slow here. Oh, that's 80. I think we're good. There's actually surprisingly a lot of people out today, so I can't really do too crazy of pulls. I normally don't do too crazy of pulls in this thing anyway, because I'm, you know, not sure about it, but now that that's temporarily fixed, I can focus on other things on the car and then actually drive it now. And I've been talking to some people. We might be getting a little CTS4, CTS5 turb ski on this thing, and trying to make some more power. It's all about the power. And I did a little Instagram poll on if you guys wanted to see a speed 3 on the channel or more power, and everyone said more power. So, I mean, maybe we'll get a speed 3 down the line, but for now, we're just gonna start making as much power as we can. And we'll go till she blows, boys. And then put a little built motor in here and crank her up. But yeah, I'm very happy that that's fixed. Probably gonna go golfing. Beautiful day out today. Go tee it up. Hi, buddy. Say what up. So I completely forgot to film golfing. I shot a 46. Not very good. Shot a lot better last time, but had a few pars today. It was an alright day. Anyway, I'll just put a little clip in of what this round did go like.
This is pathetic. Yeah! There you go. Good shot.
Yeah, it didn't go too well. Okay, so I ran some errands, did some random stuff today, and oh yeah, what? There's a speed bumper in my back seat. What's that all about? You guys just wait and see. We're going to my house right now, and I'll explain what happened, but let me just say, not good. I'm not happy about it, and I'm in the market for a new front splitter. So if anyone wants to link me some front splitters, let me know. Alright guys, here's the damage. She's kind of done for. Basically, I was doing a little pull on the highway and it went, and here we are. One zip tie stayed on. Can you believe it? Gonna cut that off, and that is it for this splitter. Gonna have to get a new one ASAP. What a waste of money. Now we're looking real boring. And the bumper is not the most sturdy thing I've ever seen in my life without the splitter on there now. So, you know, it's whatever. I'm gonna get a new splitter, and it's always something with the speed. It's always something with the speed. I don't think I can flatten this one out. I think it's toast, guys. Oh, bummer. By the way, Airflow Dynamics though, great product. No hate, all love. Alright guys, so I forgot to end this video off. We're heading to the shop right now. I'm gonna film for next video, but obviously the splitter's gone, toast, done for. So, gotta get a new one. Let me know which one you guys wanna see. We might as well just get to the point where we're testing out splitters, and yeah, figure it out. Also, I'm gonna send it on a diffuser too, that way we have one, cause I gotta spice the front end up after that, so. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, also Speedburner. Casey Drift, May 30th. If you guys want to come drift with me, shoot me a message on Instagram and we'll get it going. Peace.